Why did Tejasvi Yadav, once seen as the biggest rising star in Bihar politics, witness such a dramatic downfall? Why did the Mahagathbandhan crumble? And how did a strategy that looked promising on paper completely explode on ground? In this explainer, we break down the 5 major mistakes that led to one of the worst electoral defeats for Tejasvi Yadav and the Mahagathbandhan in Bihar. The RJD fielded 52 Yadav candidates, that's 36% of all RJD candidates. This move was meant to strongly consolidate the Yadav vote bank, around 14% of Bihar. But instead, it revived fears of the old Yadav Raj era. Upper caste and EBCs turned away sharply. The BJP's campaign aggressively pushed the idea that RJD wants to bring back caste dominance. Middle class and urban voters bought into that message. Seat sharing disputes, campaign branding that screamed Tejasvi first, and weak coordination, the alliance simply didn't function as a team. Rahul Gandhi's pictures were shrunk on posters, Congress and left cadres didn't feel included, the NDA with JDU and BJP appeared stronger and more united. Tejasvi offered a government job for every household, pension schemes, liquor ban review, but no plan on where the money would come from. He kept saying the blueprint will come in 2 days, but it never came and voters didn't trust the promises. The BJP turned the Mahagathbandhan into a Muslim-first alliance narrative. Yes, some pockets consolidated Muslim votes, but backlash emerged even among Yadav voters. Old clips of Lalu opposing the Waqf bills resurfaced. The NDA portrayed the alliance as appeasing one community. The messaging stuck. Tejasvi embraced social justice but tried to hide reminders of Jungle Raj. This confused voters about who he really is. Prime Minister Narendra Modi made it a campaign issue, accusing Tejasvi of hiding his father's sins. It looked like shame, not change. By 1 p.m. on November 14th, trends showed a decisive NDA lead over 190 plus seats. The Mahagathbandhan shrank to about 41. Even Tejasvi was trailing in his own seat early on. A blend of caste miscalculations, broken promises, divisive narratives, and alliance mistrust pushed Bihar away from Tejasvi Yadav. The question now is, can he rebuild his image or has Bihar moved on for good?